Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to swipe up or down on your camera to get access to the quick control on your camera app. Samsung improved the camera gestures, so now you can swipe up and down on the camera preview to bring up controls like settings, flash, timer, the ratio, the megapixels, and many more. So this is faster and more intuitive compared to tapping tiny icons. So let me show you how you can turn on this feature where you swipe up or swipe down to get access to quick control. So first go ahead and open up the camera app. Next tap on the four dots, then tap on settings. Now you want to go ahead and scroll down and find this setting called swipe preview up and down. So tap on this and make sure to switch from off to open quick controls. Now go back. Now you want to go ahead and swipe up or down, and this will give you access to your quick control. So this makes photography faster and one-handed friendly, especially when capturing quick moments where seconds matters. So there you go, guys. That is how to turn on swipe up and down on the camera to get access to quick controls on your Samsung Galaxy device running One UI 8.